Checklist for getting an admission. Offer letter from United Kingdom, UK. Hey there, I'm Ron from the Wesley Group. Company UK, your expert in foreign education. I went like you will go now, but now I live abroad, so I know the drill. Today, I'm going to guide you through a crucial step. The list of documents you need to apply for admissions abroad. Academics at 10th, 12th, bachelor's, PG or master's. If applicable, all mark sheets, asterisk certificates, degree etc. English proficiency set, IELTS, PTE, TEFL, Duolingo scorecard. Professional set, updated CV. Additional set, 2 letters of recommendation, LOR, 1 statement of purpose, SOP, or letter of intent. Don't you worry, we have explained a video of the above LORs and SOP too. Knowledge, if not actioned, is useless. A journey most won't dare to take today. So take that step now and start.